always like to show my students, my online students, and my students in school, like something that's finished with. My wife was just going to throw away her headphones, and I said, I'll have them. And so I cut them open carefully, and I suggest you should do this too if things are being thrown away. And you can see the copper wires. Now, it's not just one wire. It's like maybe 10 or 15 wires all together, and that means it's more flexible. It will flex without breaking. It's more durable. Can you see that? So yes, you have got the plastic part that stops you getting electric shocks. Well, it stops the electricity leaking out from headphones. The voltage is too small for you to get an electric shock. And you can see the strengthening black fibre to give it a bit of strength, because copper wires are expensive. And lots of very thin ones. So you can bend it a lot without work hardening it, and it's snapping. Anyway, yeah, if you've got something that's easy to get into, that's used, then carefully, under adult supervision, have a look inside.